Okay guys, so for those of you who were sick when we did gas laws 1, this is our Boyle's law apparatus. So you see we have this tubing that is wrapped around the meter stick. It is turned to the centimeter side, so all of the measurements that you will be taking today are going to be in centimeters of water. Now the very last video in this series, I'm going to kind of go over the measurements and what the calculations are and where those numbers come from. So as I'm going through this today, don't freak out if you don't completely understand it because I'm going to go through it at the end. If it still is confusing, please email your TAs. Please set up a meeting with us over Zoom or something. That way we can help you because that's what we're here for. Okay, so if you zoom in here, you can see that we've already added water to the top. And down here, our water is just about at 1 centimeter on both sides. It's equal on both sides because the pressure on both sides of the tube is equal at this point. We haven't done anything to mess with that. So it's actually closer to like 1.45, but as long as you write down the actual number, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna give you data for this. I just wanna show you where that initial point comes from. Then I'm gonna add this stopper, this rubber stopper into the top, and I'm gonna be really careful to make it seal. Now, already we've changed the pressure because we've displaced air from here and we've created a vacuum, or not a vacuum, but we've created like a space that's full of air where it can't escape. So here you can see that on this side, the height of the water at the closed end of the tube has already gone down, and the height of the water at the open end has been pushed up because when we displaced that air, it pushed it like this. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we are going to add 8 to 10 centimeters of water to the open end. So I'm just going to take my disposable pipette and I am going to put some water in here, and it is going to rise. So you will notice immediately that the height of the water at the open end of the tube went up a lot, while the height of the water at the closed end only went up about ½ a centimeter. That is again because we have not given the air anywhere to escape here. So when you are looking at your data, we are interested in getting the measurements for the height of water at the open end here, the height of water at the closed end here, and we need the height of the stopper. Now, if you are a little bit confused as to how that data is all going to be used, I'm going to have it written really clearly up on the board, and so we're going to go through that. I just feel like it's easier to see in a drawing than trying to show you here because water is clear. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the Charles Law apparatus and where all that data is coming from. So I'll see you guys back here in a minute.